Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of superfoods that can help you stay young and healthy. We all want that youthful glow and energy to keep going, and what we eat plays a huge role in that. Now, I'm not saying there's a magical food out there that will turn back the clock, but there are definitely some powerful players in the nutrition world that can help you age gracefully and feel your best. We're going to break down the science behind these superfoods and how you can easily incorporate them into your diet. Get ready to take some notes because we're about to unlock the secrets to a healthier, more vibrant you. Let's get started. So what exactly are superfoods? Well, it's not just a marketing term, though you hear it thrown around a lot these days. Superfoods are basically nutrient powerhouses packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and other compounds that offer incredible health benefits. Think of them as the VIPs of the food world, the ones that go above and beyond to keep your body in tip-top shape. We're talking about boosting your immune system, protecting your cells from damage, reducing inflammation, and even fighting off chronic diseases. Now, I'm all about a balanced approach to health, and that includes enjoying a variety of foods. But incorporating these superfoods into your diet can make a real difference in how you look and feel, especially as you age. It's like giving your body the extra support it needs to thrive, kind of like how regular exercise keeps you strong and energized. And the best part? These superfoods aren't some rare, exotic ingredients. They're accessible, delicious, and easy to find at your local grocery store. So let's dive into some of my favorite age-defying superfoods and how you can start adding them to your plate today. First up, we have the mighty blueberry. These little guys are like the superheroes of the fruit world, fighting off those pesky free radicals that can damage our cells and contribute to aging. What makes them so special? Antioxidants. Blueberries are bursting with antioxidants, especially a type called anthocyanins, which give them their vibrant blue color. These antioxidants act like little bodyguards, protecting your cells from damage caused by pollution, stress, and even the natural aging process. And when your cells are protected, you're more likely to ward off wrinkles, age-related diseases, and maintain that youthful glow. But that's not all. Blueberries are also good for your brain. Studies have shown that they can improve memory, focus, and cognitive function. So, whether you're a student, a working professional, or just want to keep your mind sharp, adding blueberries to your diet is a no-brainer. Enjoy them fresh, frozen in smoothies, or even baked into muffins. Next up is a personal favorite, avocado. Now, I know some people shy away from avocados because of their fat content, but trust me, these are the good kind of fats, monounsaturated fats to be precise. These healthy fats are essential for glowing skin, as they help keep it moisturized and supple from the inside out. And who doesn't want that youthful, radiant complexion? But the benefits of avocado don't stop there. They're also loaded with vitamins E and C, both powerful antioxidants that protect your skin from sun damage and premature aging. Vitamin C in particular is crucial for collagen production, which keeps your skin firm and elastic. So adding avocado to your diet is like giving your skin a double dose of anti-aging power. Plus, avocados are incredibly versatile. Spread them on toast, add them to salads, make guacamole, or even blend them into smoothies for a creamy boost of healthy fats and flavor. Chapter 4. Salmon. Dive into youthful skin. Let's talk about salmon, a superstar when it comes to healthy aging. This fatty fish is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining youthful skin. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation, which can contribute to wrinkles and age spots. They also help keep your skin moisturized and plump, reducing the appearance of fine lines. But the benefits of omega-3s go way beyond skin health. They're also great for your heart, brain, and joints. Incorporating salmon into your diet at least twice a week is a great way to reap these amazing benefits. Grill it, bake it, or even try it smoked for a delicious and nutritious meal. Remember, when it comes to aging gracefully, it's not just about looking good on the outside, but also feeling healthy and vibrant from within. Chapter 5. Spinach. Popeye's secret to youthful energy. Remember how Popeye ate spinach for super strength? Well, it turns out he was onto something. Spinach is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can benefit your health in countless ways. It's particularly rich in vitamins A, C, and K, all of which play a vital role in maintaining healthy skin. Vitamin A helps with cell turnover, giving you a fresh, youthful complexion. Vitamin C, as we discussed earlier, is crucial for collagen production, keeping your skin firm and elastic. And vitamin K helps reduce inflammation and improve blood circulation, contributing to a healthy glow. But spinach isn't just about appearances. It's also a great source of energy-boosting iron and folate, which are essential for red blood cell production. So, if you're feeling sluggish, adding more spinach to your diet can give you that natural energy boost you need to power through your day. Chapter 6. Nuts, Small Package, Big Health Benefits. Don't underestimate the power of nuts. These bite-sized snacks are packed with protein, healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants, making them a great addition to a healthy aging diet. Almonds, walnuts, pistachios, and pecans are all excellent choices. Almonds, for example, are a great source of vitamin E, which protects your skin from sun damage and premature aging. Walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which we know are great for your skin, heart, and brain. Pistachios are packed with antioxidants that can help protect your cells from damage. And pecans are a good source of zinc, which is important for wound healing and maintaining a healthy immune system. So, make it a habit to snack on a handful of nuts throughout the day for a nutritious and satisfying energy boost. Chapter 7. Sweet potatoes, fueling your body with youthful energy. Let's move on to another delicious and versatile superfood, sweet potatoes. These vibrant orange tubers are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that can benefit your health in numerous ways. They're an excellent source of beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that your body converts into vitamin A. As we discussed earlier, vitamin A is essential for healthy skin cell turnover, promoting a youthful complexion. But sweet potatoes are more than just a pretty face. They're also a great source of fiber, which is crucial for digestive health and keeping you feeling full and satisfied after meals. A healthy gut is essential for overall health and well-being, and fiber plays a key role in keeping things running smoothly. So, swap out your regular potatoes for sweet potatoes and enjoy the sweet taste of health. Chapter 8. Green tea, sip your way to a healthier you. Let's talk about green tea, a beverage that has been enjoyed for centuries for its numerous health benefits. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants, particularly a type called catechins, which have been shown to protect your cells from damage and reduce inflammation. One of the most well-known catechins in green tea is EGCG, which has been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. But that's not all. Green tea is also known to boost metabolism and aid in weight management. It contains caffeine and a compound called L-theanine, which together can enhance brain function and improve mood. So, whether you're looking to improve your health, boost your energy levels, or simply enjoy a delicious and refreshing beverage, make green tea a part of your daily routine. Chapter 9. Dark chocolate, the guilt-free indulgence. Yes, you heard that right. Dark chocolate, in moderation, can actually be a part of a healthy diet. Now, I'm not talking about the sugary, milky kind. I'm talking about dark chocolate with at least 70% cacao content. This type of dark chocolate is rich in flavonoids, which are powerful antioxidants that can benefit your heart health. Flavonoids help improve blood flow, lower blood pressure, and reduce the risk of blood clots. They also have anti-inflammatory properties which can protect your cells from damage. So the next time you're craving something sweet, reach for a small piece of dark chocolate and savor the guilt-free indulgence. Remember, moderation is key. Chapter 10. Turmeric, the golden spice for youthful joints. Finally, let's talk about turmeric, the golden spice that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a natural process that helps your body heal, but chronic inflammation can contribute to a wide range of health problems, including joint pain, heart disease, and cancer. Curcumin in turmeric can help reduce inflammation throughout the body, easing joint pain and stiffness, and protecting your cells from damage. Adding turmeric to your diet is easy. You can sprinkle it on roasted vegetables, add it to smoothies, or even enjoy it in a warm glass of golden milk before bed. Outro: eat your way to a healthier, younger you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and tricks. Remember, incorporating these superfoods into your diet is a great way to support your overall health and well-being. But it's not just about adding a few healthy foods here and there. It's about making sustainable lifestyle changes that you can stick with for the long haul. So, start small, experiment with different recipes, and find what works best for you. Stay healthy and stay young.